Good guys, Nacho here. Hope you guys are having a good day. Today we're at FUKUOKA. Today is actually a special day. It's me and Lisbeth's anniversary. So we just came down here to eat and like see a couple things here and there. But other than that, should be a nice day. It's kind of been like hailing or snowing or something. I'm not really sure, but yeah, let me just show you guys around.
Hello. Please issue your waiting ticket here. Hello. Which would you prefer? Please go to the table with the number on your ticket.
Alright, so my overall thoughts about this place. So this is just like a sushi go-round. So my mindset going in is like I'm gonna just order whatever sushi I want, pick up whatever from the wheel here. And but they have more than just raw things. I don't really eat the raw fish. I've tried it, wasn't really my thing. So I ate the cooked stuff, and I mean it's great food. Tastes pretty good. This is all the plates we ate. A little light work for today, you know what I'm saying? Each plate is like about $1.50, probably a little less.
Some are $1.
Oh, some are $1 actually. So in total there's like, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it's like around $15, give or take. But yeah, this is just a cool spot. Later I think we're gonna go to anime style store, right? Yeah. And then later, I want to go to the temple, so maybe Liz knows something where we could just go in there and chill or something. And then after that, we're going to my favorite spot, which is Ichiran Ramen. I love that place. That place is crazy. So yeah, just keep watching. So the place where we ate at is located in Chinatown in FUKUOKA. This is kind of like a mall that has a lot of stores and things to do, things to eat, a bunch of clothes and stuff. But yeah, this place is really cool. I think it's one of the closest places to us that we can go and I guess kind of just shop and just spend our afternoon. Today's been a super duper cold slash windy slash hell came down, huh? Hell day. Alright, so we just got out of here. We're leaving to Ichiran, but there's a lot that I couldn't record. They don't let me record in here for some reason. I mean, I would think they would because it'd be like free advertisement. I don't know, but just the little stuff I could show y'all is all I could get. I mean, it's pretty cool. They have like manga and they have like games and cards and stuff. So I mean, there's always a little piece of anime stuff, like I think in every town. But I mean, it's pretty cool. But let's go to Ichiran.
Slow it down, slow it down. Hey man, slow it down. Yeah.
Alright, we finally made it. Dude, this is my favorite spot. You have no idea how much I love this place. So this is what a booth looks like. You get your own little seating arrangement, a little booth. But you just sit on a little stool and your little booth. And here's where your water comes. And then all you do is pick your spice level, there's the softness of your noodles, if you want green onion, and just other little things that would make your perfect Ichiran ramen. So right now I'm just waiting for it to come, and yeah, I'll show it to you in a minute.
Hey man, slow it down.
I just finished my first bowl. I ordered extra noodle refill. It's only like about $2, probably like $1.70, I don't know. They're probably gonna give it to me in a minute, and all I gotta do is just get the refill and just put it in my broth. So my overall thoughts about Ichiran ramen, bro, that stuff's too good. The junk always blows up my mind, bro. That stuff's crazy. You just gotta try it for yourself. Can't really describe it, but I think it's the broth and the type of noodles they use. I mean, for all I know, they're using something simple, but to me it's like something crazy. But yeah, just check it out whenever you're in the area. Alright, so today was kind of a light day. All we did was just go out to eat. You just saw the really good Ichiran ramen, but other than that, man, today was super cold. I don't think I could handle it. I'm not really like a winter type of guy, but I think I have other types of vlog like in mind to do, so just stay tuned. And it's been your boy Nacho. If I haven't mentioned before, I post a bunch of my travel pictures on Instagram. If you don't mind just checking them out at Nacho Travel, just also just click the follow button, you know. And yeah, I'll just catch you guys later. Peace.